What's good with y'all? So I'm back with another video, and today is pretty much a update video on the new Camry project. So pretty much I've been getting a lot of parts in here and there, but I've been working like crazy. So whenever I got the chance, I'll do something to the car. Like, it's just little clips throughout the week of me doing little stuff, but you'll see what I'm talking about. It's just an update of what's been going on with the new build. So here you go. What's good, y'all? Back with another video, and today we're gonna pick back up with the Toyota Camry. Like I told y'all before, I got a lot of new parts in the mail, so we're just gonna start knocking some stuff out until we able to put the body kit and everything. Like I got it all planned out. So look, you see what's missing right now? One car is missing. The garage is empty. Oh yeah, in the garage, we definitely cleaned that out. So I'm gonna show y'all what that looks like. I got my little battery charger right here, but take a look at the garage. So the garage, look at all the packages I got over there. But the garage is organized, clean. I got the ride mode in here because a little carport thing I had it under just gave away, so it'll be in here for a little bit, but still got plenty of room. Still could pull two cars in and get work done. But here's all the packages just for the Camry alone. So we're gonna start getting this together and putting some stuff on the car. The only thing I didn't get a chance to organize is this. It's a freaking mess over here. But with that being said, let's get the car pulled in and let's get some work done. Alright, and here's like driving a car with no freaking seats. Getting this back inside the garage. Look, I wanted to make seat brackets out of this, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it. So I just ordered some seat brackets for the new seats that's coming in. It's going up. Ouch, ouch. Look at this. I'm sitting up in this bad boy on the floor. Like, no, I can't see over the steering wheel. Pull this one off right here. See what it's like driving at the car with no seat. It's crazy. Garage, we made it. Ooh, it's hot in here. It's about 2 hours later, and this is what I have done to the car. Absolutely nothing. I think I have ADHD, but I've been in here the whole time organizing my tools and all my crap. So I haven't even got around to do anything to the car. But everything's organized, so once I start working on it, everything should go smooth for sure. But I don't know whether I'm gonna do anything tonight other than take my butt in the house, or because I do want to put the brakes on. That's what I was gonna do, but I don't know. I'm kind of tired now. I don't know if I want to work tomorrow. All right, it took me a few minutes, but I went ahead and took the tires off, got everything organized for tomorrow, so I could just put the rotors and stuff on and the new brakes. I got the car jacked up on both sides. That way we could just knock it out tomorrow. Shouldn't take too long, and then we got more stuff to take care of, so tomorrow should be a productive day. Today was mostly cleaning and organizing, so everything will be situated. Can't wait to start this. And I'm gonna also try to get that dent out myself. That's the only body damage that's on the car, other than little dents and stuff that's hardly noticeable, like that back there. But once it goes to the body shop, all of that will be taken care of. But yeah, we about to get the ball rolling on this project. Let's go. I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Tomorrow for sure.
Brand new day. Birds are chirping. As you see, I didn't go to work, so I'm gonna take care of this stuff today. It's hot out here already. I don't know if it's just hot or the fact that I just got back from the gym, but I'm gonna hurry up and knock this out real quick. The break shouldn't take no time. And then from there, I'm just gonna figure out what's next, because I got so much to do. But yeah, let's jump in on this. So a little update. It took me forever to get this rotor off, but I got it. I sanded the caliper down, wiped it off, so I'm letting it dry right now. I gotta go to the store and get some primer because I'm gonna paint the calipers. You'll see what color, but I'm gonna paint those. I gotta take these rotors off, and I'm gonna take all the rotors off before I go to the store to get the primer. That way it'll give the calipers time to dry after I wash them off and stuff. I haven't even got to this side yet. But all I gotta do is pretty much pull this rotor off. There's no caliper connected to it. Hopefully this one is not stuck on there as bad as the other one.
Later that same evening.
It's never taken me this long to change brakes and paint the rotors. Paint the calipers. I swear it hasn't. But this is crazy. It looks good though. Just got to finish the body and the rest of the car. I see its potential for sure. I just can't wait to get her done though. But I'm gonna pick back up another day because I'm tired taking my ass in the house. Didn't get that much done today, but we got something done. That's all that matters. Good morning. Picking back up on a new day. Finally got a day off to knock this car out. The next thing I probably gonna want to do is to cool air intake, something simple. That's pretty fast to put on. I'm actually thinking about extending it because, of course, the cool air intake comes out right here. And I actually want to remove the fender and wrap it around so it actually tucks in right here. But that's probably when we work on the body and everything. I'll probably knock all that out and change the headlights with it. But that's what I'm eventually going to do. But for now, we're just going to put the basic one in. So it's in one of those boxes. And that's going to be the job for right now. So let's jump into that. Got that complete. And this actually didn't take that much time at all. But I'm not going to do too much under the engine for this car. I'm not going to upgrade nothing. I'll probably get some headers, some downpipes, whatever, and coolant lines. The coolant hose is going to be changed to blue, and then I got the spark plug wires coming in. That's also the same color blue. And as you see, everything is color coordinating, just like the silica. But yeah, I definitely need to be cleaned up under here for sure. But I don't think I'm gonna do it myself. I'll probably take it to like a professional and get it detailed really good. And I was just looking at this. I wonder, can I take this cover off? I think I could take that heat shield off, but I don't know. I think I could take this heat shield off and clean this instead of just buying a new one, because I was looking to buy some new headers, but I don't know. Maybe we could clean that up, figure something out. Brand new day. Time to try to get this car inspected today. Only problem is I put the wheels and everything back on here, and I hear some, not grinding, but like some rubbing in the back. I think it's coming from the clip on the rear caliber. Other than that, everything should check out fine. If they don't pass me because of that, then that's to be an easy fix. But other than that, the car is good to go. I got the seat put back in there. I don't think I need a passenger side seat. So I got the seat in there. Yeah, the floor mats came in too, the ones that I've been waiting for. So my floor mats came in with my name. Of course, these go on this side. I just threw the seat in there so the carpet looked like this. Car drives good. I don't really see why I wouldn't pass, but you never know these days. Speaking of that, I almost forgot the damn main piece we're going up here for, which is the cats. Goodness, how can I forget that? Such in a rush. So I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it's definitely rubbing. You hear that? So that's the problem. That shit sounds terrible. So I'm at the shop now. I got the car pulled in. I told them to look it over, try to get the car inspected. If not, just focus on the cats right now and get that done. And I'll go pick up the brakes or whatever the reason why the car doesn't pass inspection and get that fixed today. I'm not in for paying shop prices for stuff that I get do. So yeah, I'm not doing that. I'll just bring the car back if that's the case. But it should pass inspection. It's brand new brakes, rotors, everything. I fixed the power steering leak, so there's no issues with the car. So we're gonna find out in a few minutes. But yeah, she's pulled in now, so just trying to figure out from this point. Look how busy they are compared to last time. Crazy. But yeah, as you see, muffler, brakes, always get work done here. So
3 hours later.
Still at the shop going on 11 o'clock. Got good news, got bad news. The cats are almost on, but it's not lining up perfect and it's not gonna pass inspection because I need tie rods and some other stuff, but we're gonna take care of all that. I'm gonna keep the old inspection sticker on it now, so I'm gonna have the rejection sticker. And I also have to get coilovers because the struts are no good on this car. So yeah, it's always something when you're trying to build a project and stuff and you're just buying it out. I mean, for $800, it's still worth the money. Car runs, drive perfect. It's just little minor stuff that we got to fix. So other than that, we should have her done by this year, beginning of next year. Still trying to work on the silica, so it's just a lot going on right now, but we're getting it done step by step. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that's been going on. I got the cats put on, and of course it didn't pass inspection, but it's little minor stuff that we're gonna knock out, take care of. I've been knocking out the interior. I even got more pieces. The seat brackets are in, so I'm gonna be putting the seats in, getting everything done. I'm gonna try to jump on this car as fast as I can. Like I said in one of the clips, that we should be done by the end of this year or the beginning of next year. I'm not wasting any time, and I'm also looking for other stuff. I definitely in dire need of another truck too, so that's another thing that I'm going to get. But yeah, that's the update for this car, and the next video should be us putting more pieces together. So y'all stay tuned. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. So until next time, I'm out.